Welcome to the SAFSG demo. For this demo, I'll start by logging in as a supplier. In the sidebar menu under SAF Inventory, we have two items, SAF Batches and Warehouse. The first thing we need to do is create a warehouse. I click on Add Warehouse, choose whether it's a paper trader, enter the warehouse name, and then select the location type from the drop-down, either Custom Location or Airport. If I select Custom Location, I need to fill in the fields in the middle of the panel, and I also have to enter the operator's contact details. When that's done, I click Next. Upload the certification document or audit report. Click Next again to review the summary, and then Finish. The new warehouse is now added, and in the warehouse list, I can edit it, delete it, or choose View SAF in this warehouse. If I open that, it takes me straight to the SAF Batches page, where I can see all the batches stored in that specific warehouse. I can filter by warehouses or inventories. Now that we have a warehouse, we can register a SAF delivery. I click Register SAF Delivery, and this opens a process with 5 steps. In the first step, I fill in the required fields, the date of dispatch, the sustainability certificate, which can be RSB or ISCC, and the fuel type. Then I select one of the warehouses we just created. There is a group of optional fields in the middle, and in simple terms, these fields help suppliers keep track of where the fuel is stored, not just in the warehouse, but also in the specific tank or container. This helps verify that the measured quantities match what was actually delivered, which is very important for audits and certification. There is also a field called Volume M15, which simply means the metric tons measured at 15 degrees. After that, I upload the product transfer document, enter the date it was issued, and click Next. The next step is the Batches page. Here, I can add as many batches as I need. Every batch has its own details, and I enter the required information and add them one by one. Even if a delivery comes in as a single shipment, the fuel is almost never uniform. It usually consists of multiple containers with different origins or characteristics. That's why we record them as separate batches. This keeps the inventory accurate and ensures that everything is traceable during audits or inspections. When all the batches are added, I click Next. The additional page contains optional fields, and once I'm done there, I click Next again. The summary page shows everything I entered, and when I press Finish, all of the batches appear in the SAF Batches list. Each batch in this list has additional actions. And in the next video, we will go through each of these options and explain what they do.